In this video, I want to show you how to use the WPS method to connect your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW printer to your Wi-Fi network. So right over here on your printer, make sure that screen is turned on. Press OK if it's not turned on. So to do this, simply press the settings button, then go down and you're going to select network, press OK, select Wi-Fi, go down, select WPS push button, press OK, and then you're going to press the right side arrow. At this point, you need to go on your Wi-Fi router, press on the WPS button, make sure it's enabled, and on your printer, you should see the connect message appearing, confirming that the printer has detected your router and also connected to it. After that, you'll be able to pair your printer with your computer, Mac PC, Linux, or even your iPhone or Android smartphone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.